Hi kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to start off looking at our number line. So I want you to look at this number line here, and I want you to see all the things that you notice about the number line. Okay, so now's a good time to hit pause and start noticing and wondering about the number line. Okay, maybe you noticed that Zero the hero is on our number line. Do you guys see Zero the hero? There he is. We've got 0 over here. So our number line today starts with a 0. And maybe you notice the other side of the number line, the right side of our number line is 10. Now, are there any numbers past 10? There are, aren't there? What comes after 10? What's the next number? 11, right? So even though we have more numbers after 10, I stopped the number line there. Okay, I'm going to pick a starting number and I'm going to pick an ending number, and I want to see how many hops it takes to get there. You guys ready for this? All right, we're going to start at 2. So start, this is the word start, at 2, and we're going to end at 5. Okay, so we're going to end at 5. How many hops does it take to get from 2 to 5? Remember we did this with the the hedgehog? No, it was groundhog, right? Because last week was Groundhog's Day. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So if we start at 2 and add 3, we will get to 5. Is that true? I think it is. Okay, we're going to try out a different one. So we're going to start at a different number and end at a different number. All right, here we go. I think I need to fix up my number line a little bit. What do you think? There we go. Okay, we're going to start at 5 this time. Start at 5. And we're going to hop to 8. Okay, how many bunny hops would you have to take? How many groundhog hops would you have to take? All right, so let's see. Show me on your fingers. Let me see. How many hops would you have to take? Let's see them. Is anybody showing me 2 fingers? Is anyone showing me 3 fingers? How about 4? 5? Let's check. Okay, here we go. We're starting at the 5 and we're going to hop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We made 3 hops plus 3. Let's see. Could anyone give me a number sentence for that? We started at 5 and we ended at 8. Let's see. So our starting number was, give me a high five. All right. So 5 plus how many hops made 8? 5 plus 3 makes 8. Okay, let's do one more. Here we go. What should I pick, you guys? What should I pick? Okay, I think I'm going to start at 4. And I think I'm going to land at 10. Woo! That's a big one. Okay, so let's think about that. We know a lot about the number 10, right? We have 10 fingers. We know maybe 5 plus 5 makes 10. Did you guys know that one? 5 plus 5 makes 10. So that could be useful to us for this one, right? So we have to figure out how far it is from 4 to 10. Whoa, that's a lot of hops. Okay, I'm going to be quiet now so you can figure it out. Everybody figure out your jumps. All right, you ready? Stand up. We're going to hop this time. We're going to hop together. Ready? Starting at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now, how many hops was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So we had to hop 6 times. Did you hop along with me? I was kind of just bouncing. All right, so maybe you knew that from 5 to 10, it would be 5 hops. Did anybody know that? And then there was that one more hop in there, so that could have helped you too. Okay, it's time for our story. You guys, happy Valentine's Day and week. We are celebrating fun stuff with Valentine's Day. Now, I wrote a story about Valentine's for you. So here it is, Valentine's. Sarah made some red Valentines to pass out to her friends. Okay, so I want you to imagine some red Valentines. Then she made pink Valentines. Now she has Valentines in all. How many red Valentines did Sarah make? I don't have the picture of this in my head yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my numbers and I'm going to read it again and make the picture as I go. I think I'm going to put in the numbers 2 and 6. Okay, here we go. Sarah made some red Valentines to pass out to her friends. Okay, so I'm holding some red Valentines in my head, but I don't know how many there are yet. Then she made 2 pink Valentines. Okay, so I do know that there are 2 pink Valentines. Now she has 6 Valentines in all. So when I look at my Valentines, 2 of them are pink and the others are red, but I don't know how many there are that are red. How many red Valentines did Sarah make? Okay, so I'm curious to see how you're going to solve this one. Are you going to draw it out? Are you going to use red and pink? Are you going to use math tools like this? Or maybe a number line? I don't know. What is your strategy going to be? All right, kindergartners, I will see you next time. Bye.